In this video I'll show you how to use the Forza Wireless Designer. So the first thing you need to do is create a new project. As soon as you click create new project, they'll give you an option to choose between indoors and outdoors. So the difference is when you choose outdoors, it will automatically adjust for things like lightning protector, and then the distances will be in kilometers instead of meters and so on. So for this example we will be using outdoors. So next they'll ask you to choose the radio itself. So we use the IHG and then the location. So for this one we use a generic location, Asia Pacific. Okay, so this is just a name, it's up to you. For this example, so the distance to antenna is basically the actual distance between the radio and the antenna itself. So for this example we'll be using 50 feet and 40 feet. So 50 feet will be around 15.24 meters. You can also configure your software to use feet. So I'm using metric system right now. Okay, so once you have your two radios set up, you need to create the link and then put the distance. So right now, as you see, based on the default distances, the signal is still poor because the software automatically chooses the best. I wouldn't say the best. It will choose all the antennas and cables based on the initial input parameters that you set. So since the signal is poor, we would want to increase the gain. So in this case, let's say we use a 24 dBi parabolic antenna instead. So the antennas are frequency specific. The frequency is shown here, and so it has to match with the radio's frequency range. Okay. Likewise, increase the gain for the other radio. You see the signal has improved. One last thing is you would normally want to have this at least 10 dB less than the actual one recommended over here, because these are theoretical values. In actual application the signal might be poorer, so it's advisable to have at least 10 dB better the signal quality when you actually design. So this can be passed for the final design since the signal is excellent and there seems to be no issues. And also finally, one other thing is the actual part numbers will be shown here for the design. That is all for the basic setup.